everybody, welcome to Hey Kids.
Let's draw.
Let's draw. Today we're joined with Kimball, 6-year-old. Kimball, show them what we're going to start with.
A pencil.
A pencil. And what are we going to draw today?
A T-Rex.
T-Rex, a T-Rex dinosaur. Once again, one of our fans, our viewers, little boy requested a T-Rex. So what we're going to do, we're going to do it for you. Okay, everybody, we're going to do this, we're going to do this in marker. You can start off your drawing in pencil if you'd like to draw the shape and then go over it in marker to make it darker. But the pencil doesn't show up on the camera very well, so we're just going to go straight to marker. I hope it works out. You viewers, do whatever you want, do whatever you feel like you want to do. Also, when using marker, make sure there's an extra piece of paper. See, we have 2 pieces of paper underneath so it doesn't bleed through onto your mom or dad's table. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do the T-Rex. Like I said, this will be a little advanced, but let's see what we can do. So we're gonna start up in this corner of the paper, and I'm gonna do a shape like this. Good, all right. And we're gonna do it the bottom, this is the mouth, so we're gonna connect the bottom of the mouth. Here we go. A shape like that. Bring it down. And shape like that. Good job. See, these 2 shapes are kind of following each other. And then we're gonna connect like so this is like a V shape. Can you do that? Connect that to the, good job, all right. Now, we're gonna bring this up and draw kind of a rounded nose. Bring it up and round it. Yes, excellent. Now we're gonna go down and up. Good job. Back here, we're just gonna do a little mountain. Good job. So this is our mouth. This is kind of the nose of the dinosaur. Should we fill it in with some teeth? Let's do it. I'm just gonna draw little mountains. You can do it however you want. Little mountains. Awesome, looks mean. You can even do some teeth around there. Good. And with a lot of my characters, I like to leave the tongue in. It just adds some fun, so I'm gonna do a little tongue. And let's color this mouth black, okay? Give it some life. Here we go. Color the inside of the mouth black carefully. You don't want to cover those teeth up because those are the main dinosaur teeth, right?
And you don't want it to look like a grandma.
You don't want it to look like a grandma. Why would it look like a grandma? What do grandmas look like?
Old grandmas.
Old grandmas with no teeth?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's draw a little nostril. Kind of a raindrop.
Raindrop.
Good job. Now we're gonna draw a mean eye here, so following that shape. And kind of a U shape right there. And another one inside. Okay, we want to leave the highlight. You remember the highlight? Mm-hmm. The highlight is that white dot inside the eye. Gives the dinosaur life. Okay, well, let's draw this jawbone to connect the bottom of the mouth. So I'm going to do a round a circle around that mouth. There you go. Good. And the bottom of this is going to connect to the chin. Watch me as I connect it to the chin. And you can see our face is taking shape with this dinosaur, right? All right. And I'm going to connect this eye. We're going to have to build a big belly with a tail. So here we go. Follow me. I'm going to connect the eye. Kind of bump it out over that. And let's do a round kind of belly shape. This is the neck, actually. Connects to the jaw.
This looks like a peacock.
Does it? A peacock? Yeah. Oh my goodness, it does. Look at you. Now let's draw the back. We're going to move over to this chin, and I'm going to go down. And now I'm going to do a big mountain hill shape, and this is going to be where the big hind leg pops up. So we're going to go pop. And now we're going to curve over. This is the big tail. Up. Awesome, that's looking cool. Now we're just gonna follow this shape back. Here we go. Nice, looking good. Looking real good. Now we're gonna draw this leg in here. This is a big hind leg, and that's what really kind of sets the T-Rex off. They have giant, muscly legs, right? So let's go to the knee. Yeah. And then right here, we're gonna go. Awesome. I'm gonna connect this tail just to that leg like that. I like how this line goes above this line and makes it look like the leg's popping out a little bit. Okay, so we have the knee. We're gonna go down, make kind of a curve like this, and we're gonna go behind this line up here, and we're gonna do a bump and another bump. Good. We're starting to draw the foot with big claws. So this is gonna turn into a claw right here. Now right here I'm going to do, see these lines? There's a lot of curved lines we're doing. Hope you're able to follow along. It's challenging, but I know you can do it. So do another one. And do another one like that. Okay.
It looks like a tree root.
It looks like a tree root, right? But we're going to start to connect these lines, and they're going to turn into a T-Rex claw. But first, the claws have to come out. So I'm going to do these little kind of raindrops. Good job. Here we go. Another one that's kind of fatter.
Because this one is in the middle.
Because that one's in the middle and it's coming at you. It's coming right at you. And there's another one out here. You can start to see the foot take shape. So let's connect the foot and make that toe. Good, and we'll connect this to that claw and this to that claw. And we'll connect this to that foot. So now we have the foot of the T-Rex, right? Now let's continue this tail over and make the bottom of the belly come up. I left a space here. See this space? This is where we're going to put some arms. So, but first we'll draw this bottom leg. So we're going to come down, boom, like that. In like that. Out like that. That's the knee. And a curved line. Another curved line. See, this is a difficult piece. You're doing really good. A 6-year-old, first grader, Kimball, drawing. I know if you guys follow along, you can also do it yourself. So here's another set of toes. Another tree root looking thing, right?
Mm-hmm. Sounds like wavy lines of a river.
Wavy lines like a river, good job. So let's draw these claws. Here we go. Another raindrop claw.
Raindrop.
Another raindrop claw.
Then another raindrop.
And then another raindrop. So now let's connect those. There's your toe. Connect that to the raindrop. That one's kind of fat.
And then there.
This toe looks a little weird on mine, but that's okay. You know what? Not everything goes perfect, but that's what the fun about art. We keep doing it.
And this one's a bit small because it doesn't have that much room.
It doesn't have that much room. It's a little small. I know. We're using the page again, which is really fun in art. And the cool thing about art and learning is if you don't like it, just do another one, right? And keep trying and keep learning. You got to keep practicing. It doesn't turn out perfect the first time. So let's do this arm. It's going to have an arm coming out here. So go down. Go out. Go down a little further. Kind of make a curve and go out to a small point. Now let's draw these. Do T-Rexes have 5 fingers?
No, they only have
Like
2.
2, like this, right? So we're gonna do a big claw curve. See that claw? Good job. Do the pointy claw on the end. Now we'll do another finger up here. It goes up and out. Pointy claw. And connect. All right, that looks pretty cool. So
the arms are the hardest part.
The arms are hard. I know. Look how detailed this area is. It's challenging, right? So let's connect the belly to this arm without going over the line. Connect. Connect. And let's do the other arm over here. We're gonna go start at the belly right here and go up. And we'll do a curved hook. And this is the other arm. It looks like a candy cane sort of, huh?
Or like a mitt.
Oh, like a catcher's mitt?
Like
There you go.
Like
Draw another claw in there.
Curve.
And let's do the back claw. Up. Another hook and down with a pointy finger. All right, look at that. There we go. Now we like to add a little detail, so I like to, show the underbelly, of the dinosaur right here.
And
so I'm gonna connect this to the arm top.
And
yes.
the stripes.
And we'll make some stripes. Now this elbow area, we're gonna come over here and connect it to the leg. And now we're gonna go on the other side of the leg and connect this to the tail. Ready? So that shows the underbelly of the ferocious T-Rex. Do you guys want to do some stripes?
That's a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Actually a Tyrannosaurus Rex, Kimball says. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a curved triangle. So a curved triangle. Good. Let's do another one. This one's gonna be a little bit bigger. Curved triangle. And another one, maybe a little smaller. Curved triangle. I like to make the sizes look different, so it makes it a little more interesting. And as we go, we're gonna do some more up the tail, and they go smaller and smaller because they're going away from us, okay? So a smaller triangle. This one's kind of a sideways triangle. They almost look like shark fins, huh? Smaller. 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 Cool, there you have it. This is the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the T-Rex. Look at this, look at all that detail. First grader Kimball, 6-year-old, was able to do. Now, should we color it?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna color it. So off to fast forward, here we go.